Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Sony Xperia 10 Mark 9 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but you can't surf in it because you get this notification on your screen when you try search something. To fix it, tap on update date and time and we get fast access to our settings and date and time option, and it must turn on first function automatic date and time, and that's all. We can go back and try search something on our Google, and it is working right now and we can do it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.